さんこんにちは。Pigs makes me sneeze. Pigs makes me sneeze. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want, yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A hat? Chew! Sniff, are you okay? I do not know. Chew! I cannot stop chew! Sneezing. Oh no. What if Pigs makes me sneeze? Achoo! What if you're trying to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if Pigs too makes me sneeze, then I can't be near you. Then we can't be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, don't speak. It is too late. Chew. Goodbye, Gerald. Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs makes me sneeze. And Piggie is a pig. Piggie is my also best friend. Achoo! Great news. Cats makes me sneeze too. Ted. I do not think pigs makes you sneeze. I do not think cats makes you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You're sick. I'm sick. Oh, thank you, Dr. Cat. Piggie, great news. I have a cold. Great, good for you.